17 tools you may need for electrical projects. A standard tape measure is used for all kinds of field measurements, such as setting heights for switches and outlets, centering lighting fixture boxes, and marking surfaces for cutouts. A hammer is used to secure electrical boxes equipped with nail-on brackets to wall studs and other framing members in a home. You'll also need one to drive wire staples when anchoring new electrical cable to framing members. Another essential electrical specialty tool for homeowners is a good pair of wire strippers. Wire strippers are used to cut and strip insulation from electrical wires. A wire stripper tool has a row of gauged holes for stripping wires of different sizes, and it usually includes cutting jaws for trimming the wire ends. Some types are combination tools that can also be used to crimp wires and to strip the vinyl jacket off NM cable. A pair of Linesman Pliers is an electrician's do-it-all tool. It has a squared-off end that is great for twisting wires together, a center cutting blade for trimming wire, and a grip area between the handles for pulling wire. Diagonal cutting pliers, sometimes called side snips or dikes, are used to cut wires. They are specially designed with a cutting edge that goes down to the tip of the jaws, allowing you to get into tight areas to trim wires. Some types can also have a built-in voltage detector to sense live wires. You can also find combination tools that include wire stripping slots built into the handles. A fish tape is used to pull stranded or solid wire conductors through metal or PVC conduit. Cable lube is available to assist you in pulling the wires through the conduit. A fish tape can also be helpful when you are pulling NM cable through wall cavities. A voltmeter is used to read voltage levels and verify that circuits are live or off. Unlike a circuit tester, this tool gives you reading on how much voltage is being carried. More sophisticated forms of the tool are known as multimeters, and they can not only read voltage levels but also amperage, resistance, and DC voltage and amperage. They do, however, require practice to learn how to use them properly. Wire crimpers are used to crimp lugs or connection terminals onto wires. This tool is not often used for routine circuit repairs, but it has many uses when working with appliances or electronics. Many types can also be used to strip wire insulation. A small level, such as a torpedo level, fits easily in a tool pouch and is used to make sure your work is level and plumb. A great installation starts with level boxes and straight switch and outlet covers. Electrical repair and improvement work involves a lot of dark places, from attics and basements, to wall and ceiling cavities, to the insides of electrical boxes. A tactical flashlight is needed as much for safety as it is for convenience. A couple of hand flashlights and a headlamp are good additions to an DIY electrician's toolbox. A utility knife, or box cutter, is handy for cutting sheathing from non-metallic Romex cable to cut off electrical tape, and to open cardboard boxes. Electricians keep screwdrivers with them at all times, for removing and installing cover plates, outlets, switches, and many other devices. It's best to have a few different lengths of Phillips screwdrivers, as well as number 1, number 2, and number 3 tip sizes. As with Phillips screwdrivers, you will likely need more than one size of straight blade screwdrivers. If you have to choose just one, pick a medium blade, it will suit most projects. Allen wrenches are used to tighten hex head screws, which are sometimes found on ceiling fans, light fixtures, and appliances. It's a good idea to own both a metric and a standard set of Allen wrenches. Tongue and groove pliers are known by many names, including channel lock, groove joint, tongue and groove, and straight jaw pliers. This tool is most often used for plumbing work, but a pair of tongue and groove pliers also has many uses for electrical projects. It will see frequent use for removing knockouts from metal electrical boxes, tightening cable clamps, and adjusting expansion-type ceiling fan boxes. Perhaps the most important specialty electrical tool you can own is a voltage tester. A voltage tester is used for a quick safety check to make sure there's no voltage in an electrical wire or device before you start working on it. Non-contact voltage testers, powered by batteries, are the simplest and safest types of testers because they can detect electricity just by being near an outlet slot or wire. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.